CJRB Hectare or Hectare. Oh, I really like this blade shape. It's similar to Ostrich Raccoon. Probably I will cut away this thing. I really like that it's slimmer than Ostrich Raccoon. It feels better in my hand. It is full flat. I think this G10 feels nicer than micarta. I will also remove like on a Ostrich Raccoon. If it would have Tamstat, for me it would be better. And of course I have to grind this way, because let me know why it's made like this. Yeah, it's not easy. Yeah, you can do it, but it's not easy. Either use Tamstat or use a bigger hole. For example, like here, use a bigger hole or use bigger space here. CJRB knows how to do things and knives, so probably they had some reason for it, maybe copyright or I don't know. But yeah, I can modify this. Then I will have pretty nice Ostrich Raccoon blade with more usable handle. It will be perfect. You can choke on it, but yeah, it's better if I remove this guard and this. It's a small modification for me. I've done it a lot of times. Let's compare. So para 3. And this is pyrite, another pyrite. This is lighter. This is Hagium compact. Then we have small and big Victorinox. And these are bigger knives. Let me know how do you like Hectare, and if I should tell Hectare or Hectare. What's the correct name of the CJRB EDC knife?